Okay, welcome to my trading journal. So today's date is 15th November 2025 and current time is 12 p.m. So today we will go over Thursday and Friday trades. So first trade that I took was on on Thursday. Sorry, on Thursday. This was the trade in gold 5 minute chart. I saw market going down in the channel. This was the first push. This was the second push, and this was the third push. I saw this as a third push, and then I expected a pullback, deeper pullback. Uh, Pullback did came, but after this big red candle, I entered on this high break, but it immediately hit my stop loss. Stop loss. This was the losing trade. I lost around $30 on this trade. The second trade that I took on Thursday was this one in GBP USD. Um, this was the breakout that I observed. This was the breakout, but didn't want it to miss the breakout. I thought it might continue continuously from here. So what I did is I added some quantity here, placing my stop loss below the start of the move, and once it will pull back, I will add more quantity and trail my stop loss to here. That was my plan. So I added quantity here. Then I waited. Market did show the pullback, and on this I added more quantity. I trailed my stop loss to this candle low. But what happened was I was very scared. The market was moving very slow here, one, two, three, and then dropping down. So I was really scared. So I booked this trade in a loss. Total risk I took in this trade was $50, 1%, $50. But I lost around $20 on this trade. Let me check. Yes, I lost around $20 on this trade. This was very bad decision for me because this was the perfect trade that according to rule and according to price action. So this wrapped up my with two losses. I wrapped up my uh, day on Thursday. On Friday, this was my first trade that I took. Market was trending downward on gold, but I saw this strong breakout. A strong breakout that one, two, three, four, five consecutive candles. So I expected a pullback and then continuation. So when market gave this pullback, this was the high one entry that I took and placed my initial stop loss here. So and target was obviously 1:1, not less than that. But I was planning to add more quantity and trail myself. So when market again pulled back here and break this high, I added more quantity and trailed my stop loss to here. And target was similar. Target was this one. 1:1 was the first initial target that I placed. But market failed and um, hit my trailed stop loss. This was the first trade that I took on Friday. The second trade that I took here, sorry, this was actually the first trade and this was the second trade, gold trade. This was the first trade. This was the previous resistance area that market from fallen. Market did came. It was continuously showing bullish pattern, but there wasn't any pullback. You can see this is continuous momentum. There wasn't any pullback. So after this strong upward move, market starting to pull back and gives slow momentum. Started this slow momentum. So I expected a deeper pullback, breaking these lows. So when market break below this closed with this strong red candle, I just immediately place my entry with this stop loss above and book 1:1. I was really scared to hold. That's why I scalped quickly. This was the early trade that I took an Asian. I don't really trade during Asian, but I took this trade. After that, this was the trade in euro. This wasn't actually my trade. I was following someone's calls. Someone so someone gave me a call that euro is going to sell, so sell here and stop loss play stop. So there is no logic Actually any logic behind, actually my logic, I can say. This was just called, this was the trade called by someone else, one of my friend. This was the trade. This was actually a good trade that I would say. This was the breakout that I saw in GU, 1, 2, 3, 4, continuous 4 bullish candles, then a retracement. This was the high one entry. I didn't took that. I waited for a deeper pullback on a high to entry. So market did came back, and this was the high to entry that I took, and immediately market hit the stop loss. This was definitely a good trade, but it didn't play out. The last trade I took, this was the trade before GU. This was the trade before this one. I took this trade in GU. This was the buying trade. This was the bullish momentum that I saw. This was the pullback, and I took high one entry, placed the stop loss below. I risked less in this trade actually. How much? Let me check. How much I risked in this trade? $20 only. uh, because this wasn't really a convincing breakout. That's why it is less. This was the triangle. Market showed the breakout of the triangle, but immediately reversed. So I thought this is the failed breakout of this triangle, and market will move upside. So after the pullback, I just entered on the high one entry, but this didn't really played out. Market trapped me once here, then showed the bearish momentum, then again here bullish momentum, then trapped me here once again in this trade that I took. So that was a double trap. So this wraps up my week for a. If I have to say words that this week has been good. If I'm because I was just hopping strategies to strategies this week, and the last week that I traded, I decided last week was very bad. I was completely trading randomly, but this week I was trading L rules concept, complete price action that I trading, and I traded well, I guess, and I made some profit. Definitely made some profit. It doesn't really, but trades are still not really good, because if you look at Friday's trade, I took 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 trades. That is over trading. I should be only trading one or two trades, maximum one or two trades in a day. That's my goal. So next from next week, I am planning something. Um I have a plan. I will make another video for that. So what's my plan for the next week, and I'll discuss all that in that video. Okay. Thank you.